This is a video for OpenCode users. I stumbled upon this repository yesterday, actually, when I was scrolling in Reddit. I saw a few people that mentioned the OpenChamber UI, and I decided to check it out. And I've been playing around with it for 24 hours now, and it seems very, very promising. Basically, OpenChamber is a desktop and web interface for OpenCode AI agents, and it's just a huge improvement in quality of life and UX in opposing to using the terminal. So I love OpenCode, and very often I switch from IDE to terminal, and I feel pretty comfortable in the terminal, especially after I already customized that based on my workflow. But I must admit that using OpenChamber has been very refreshing. Besides the fact that it has a rich interface for OpenCode, you can review diffs, you can manage different agents, and I will show you this in a moment. It also has a few more valuable functionalities, such as cross-device continuity. So you can very easily switch between the terminal UI, your phone, your tablet, whatever. And this is actually a major improvement because so far I've been using the OpenCode web app in my phone, and it wasn't so convenient. This is way more convenient, so I just deployed OpenChamber on a Hetzner server, and I'm using it via my mobile phone, so this way I can build while I'm on the fly. So basically the core features are as follows: branchable chat timeline, so you can undo and redo, you can fork, similar to OpenCode. Smart tool UI for diffs, file operations, permission, and long-running task progress. Voice mode, which I haven't played around with because I told you guys that I stumbled upon a tool that is called Handy. This is Handy. It's similar to Whisper Flow, but it's also available for Linux, and it's also free. It's OpenCode, open source, so has been pretty amazing for me so far. I'm using the Parakit model, which I believe is by NVIDIA. It's mind-blowing how fast it is and how accurate it is. Anyway, so we have the voice mode, we have multi-agent runs, obviously a lot of GitHub related stuff, plan build mode, kind of similar to OpenCode, and a few more interesting features related to the web view and VS Code extension. I will show it to you guys now. First of all, they have a website with all the documentation. When you want to install it, just come here. Just ask Cloud Code or OpenCode to install it. It's pretty straightforward. This is how it looks like. This is on my local computer. Over here you have all the Git actions. You have the files. Obviously you can adjust this. You can open a terminal. It looks exactly like an IDE, to be honest. Over here you can create new sessions, create new projects, and over here you have all the settings. So you can adjust the appearance, you can adjust how the chat looks like, you can add built-in notifications, adjust session defaults such as default models, default thinking, effort, default agent. You can adjust shortcuts, build a new agents. So for example, I have a discovery agent which asks me a lot of questions regarding my project or regarding what I want to build, and together we kind of build a better specs or better plan. You can adjust the MCP, you can see the usage, you can adjust the skills, you can connect to skill catalogs, etc., etc. So to be honest, I wouldn't consider this a game changer, but so far it's been more convenient than working the terminal, and the fact that it is working on top of OpenCode, which is, in my opinion, the best harness available at the moment, is very valuable. So if you guys are using OpenCode, I recommend that you check this out, OpenChamber. Give it a go and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I guess that's it. Until next time, keep on automating.